Hello everyone, I hope so you're doing well. In today's video we are going to work about the most important words related to PTE. These words are not only important for your writing but also important for your speaking as well. So the very first word that I'm going to share with you here is the recommendation. What is the pronunciation? Recommendation. So how you're supposed to learn the spelling? Dation is another syllable. So like this you can learn the spellings easily. Reco with sounds. Recommendation. An official suggestion about the best thing to do. This is its the explanation of the word. Another example is there is not enough evidence to support these recommendations. Okay. Our next word is undergraduates. It is noun, and this is very important while you are completing fill in the blanks and dictation from one word. After that, after this explanation, I will explain to you how you can use the word from noun, pronoun, verb and adverbs to fill in the blanks to get 100% score. In UK, undergraduate, and in US also undergraduate. Okay, the pronunciation is as we are usually using UK pronunciation, undergraduate. A university or college student who is studying for their first degree. So the student who is studying the first degree in a college is called undergraduate. Undergraduates may pursue specific interest within certificate programs. Okay, you can see here if you are having fill in the blanks like this, and in the blank this is the blank and may pursue specific interest within certificate programs. And you can see here you can use only noun, and if in your fill in the blanks there is noun, verb, or noun, adverb, adjective, then you should have to select noun here. So you are supposed to find what is noun. Noun is the name of any person, place or thing. So undergraduates may pursue specific interest within certificate programs. Another example of this word, undergraduates have a wide range of cultural modules to choose from. Okay, a wide range of cultural modules. A wide range of cultural modules mean a lot of options they are having, so they can choose from them. The undergraduates need some specific source to analyze a specific program. Here again, article is here. So while completing your writing task, your speaking and in your reading, articles, preposition, pronunciation, conjunction is very important. There are many examples for one word. So for example, here there is another example. These words you can recognize the excellence of the undergraduate's research project. Again, they are talking about the projects. Okay, reading widely is important for undergraduate study. Communications. This is noun, but it is plural. Okay, communication. This is the sign which gives the sound of sh. You can see here sh. Here there was a word recommendation, sh. I will show you in other places also. Okay, so what are the examples for this word? Communication, plural, the activity or process of expressing ideas and feelings or of giving people information. Many graduates of journalism get jobs in the communication field. Communications, again here they will use a word, and this is the sound of sh. Wherever you will find this sound, you will pronounce it as a sh. So I hope so you understand. Best of luck.